guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you some packing tips and tricks and what to pack for summer vacation. And before I get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and hit the red subscribe button down there, and tell me in the comments down below where you are going for summer vacation, and let's get on with the video. So the first hack I have for you guys is to make a packing list. You can either write yours or print one off. I just printed this one off from Pinterest, but yeah, it really just helps you to make sure you don't forget anything. Next we have travel outfits. So I'm going to be showing you guys two travel outfits. So the first one, I have this light pink pair of leggings with this plain white t-shirt and then this denim jacket. For the next outfit, I have this pair of navy leggings with this heathered black t-shirt, and then with it I have this really big awesome cardigan that I just got from Target, and with both of these outfits I would wear this pair of pink slip-on shoes. For dresses, I'm bringing two dresses. I have this casual one that's pineapples on it, and then for my fancy one I just have this really pretty yellow floral one. So then we have rompers. I am bringing two rompers. Also, I just have this navy stripe one and this bright pink one. So for shorts, I have this pair of denim shorts and then this striped pair of flowy shorts. And then I have this turquoise pair of active shorts, a gray pair of active shorts, and then I have a black pair of active shorts. And then for tank tops, I just have this really cute yellow and white striped tank top with this navy one. And then I also have this turquoise one. For t-shirts, I have this one from a musical I was in. I have this plain light pink t-shirt. Now we have swimsuits. So I have this really cute cover up from Target. And then I have my first swimsuit, which is just really bright and fun, and then I have this second one that is just striped and floral. For pajamas, I have two pairs of these super fabulous pajamas. For shoes, I have some Birkenstocks, and then these flip-flops, and these super ugly hiking shoes, and this pair of sandals. For accessories, especially if you're going somewhere like the beach, I would recommend bringing a pair of sunglasses and a beach hat. So hack number 2 is for your necklaces. So you're just going to put one end into a straw so that there is a part of your necklace coming out of one end and then part of your necklace coming out the other end, and then clasp it together, and that just keeps it from getting all tangled. And yeah, so for necklaces, I would recommend bringing like 2, and then for earrings, I would recommend bringing 2 pairs. Also, one casual pair and then one fancier pair. And I also have just one ring. And then for hair supplies, here I just have a pack of scrunchies, 2 big hair elastics, some bobby pins. I use spin pins because my hair is really thick, and then I have 2 little elastics. And then I also have a hairbrush. So next are the toiletries. Obviously you have to have a toothbrush and toothpaste, and then also flossers. And then here I just have some shampoo and conditioner in travel size bottles. And then I also have a nail kit. And then here I'm just putting everything into this toiletry bag. So hack number 3 is to put all your shoes in the bottom of your bag. That way they don't get your clothes dirty or anything. So the last hack I have for you guys is to roll your clothes. Now I know this hack is very common, but it really does save a lot of space in your suitcase. So now I have the carry-on. So this is what I would use for my carry-on. It's just a really big backpack that can fit a lot of stuff. So for the carry-on, I would just recommend bringing a bunch of books and activity books and like coloring and drawing and a bunch of stuff to do, especially if you are flying, and yeah, just bring a whole bunch of stuff to do. And then you cannot forget about the snacks. They're like the most important part, especially gum if you are flying. And then obviously bring your phone with a charger, and portable chargers are really nice. And also some headphones to listen to music. And don't forget to bring a water bottle because you have to stay hydrated. And neck pillows are super great too, whether you're flying or driving. And then you can just put all that stuff into your carry-on and you are ready to go. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope it was helpful for you if you are going on summer vacation. And don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down there, and I will see you next week. Bye!